In this video, I'm going to show you how you can present PowerPoint presentations in Microsoft Teams the right way. So to be able to do this, what we need to be able to be is in an actual meeting. So I've just created a test meeting for me to join right now. I'm just going to go ahead and join this. Now, most people, if they wanted to share a PowerPoint presentation or anything of that kind in Microsoft Teams, they would normally go over to the share button up here and maybe share their screen or something like that. However, what we want to actually do is head over to our PowerPoint presentation that we're going to have loaded already. So I've just loaded mine up on screen right now. And what we actually can see in the top right hand corner of our PowerPoint presentation is this option to present in Teams. So if we go ahead and click that, that's going to go over to our meeting automatically, and it's going to say you're about to present, and then we can go ahead and actually click present. From here, it's going to load our slides, and inside this red box here, this is exactly what our viewers of our meeting is going to see. And what we can do is actually see all of our upcoming slides down below. We can also use some features here where we can actually go onto the slide and make notes and things like that, and draw lines and obviously erase things as well. And of course, we can click through our slides. And this is just a really cleaner way to present your PowerPoint meetings in Microsoft Teams. Hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next one.